Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Friday the 26th of January 2018. I'm Darren Sinden, and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight moves and price changes to be aware of. I just want to flag a couple of levels here. First of all, euro dollar 124.2350, cable 141.75, and the Aussie dollar 80.50. All better but off the top, and the dollar index 89.19, so the dollar firming. Bitcoin trading at $11,427 per coin before we recorded the video. Coming back to the dollar, we'll look shortly at why the dollar is better and why majors such as the euro, sterling and Aussie are a little bit off the top. We'll come to that momentarily. Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. Well, first of all, it's the final concluding day of the World Economic Forum in Davos. Donald Trump is in town, but there'll be plenty else to keep people's attention there. But we've also got quite a bit of key economic data. So at 9:30 GMT, we'll have GDP preliminary reads for Q4 2017. We will have the first of four central bank speeches at 10 AM GMT. ECB board member Kerr is speaking, and he'll be followed at 1300 by the Federal Reserve's Jimmy Bullard, who's speaking then. Then at 13:30 we'll have US gross domestic product data for Q4, preliminary read again there, and that's accompanied by durable goods orders both with and ex transportation for December. We've also got data out of Canada. We have CPI data for December and the Bank of Canada's own Consumer Price Index data accompanying that. 1400 sees the Bank of England's Governor Mark Carney take to his feet to speak, and he'll be joined by the Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda speaking at the same time. All of those speeches, of course, taking place in Davos. And 1800 to finish the day, we'll have the influential Baker Hughes oil rig count. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, be aware that it's Australia Day. If you're wondering why it's been quiet in the Antipodes today, it's a national holiday there. Industrial profits in China have hit a 6-year high, says the FT. Meanwhile, Japan's CPI, Consumer Price Index data, has come in flat, effectively unchanged in December, taking core inflation for the whole of 2017 to just 0.5%, well below the Bank of Japan's 2% target, and another data point that probably puts a nail in the coffin of the idea of premature tightening from Japan. Donald Trump has contradicted his Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, saying that he wants to ultimately see a stronger dollar. Mr. Trump will make a formal speech in Davos today. And the Bank of England has been hit by an IT glitch after a system upgrade, with some transactions being deferred or delayed. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day and the weekend. And why not think about this? Over the last decade, we have got used to the price of consumer technology falling quite dramatically, and flat screen TVs would seem to be the obvious example. But one item has bucked this trend, or seemingly bucked this trend, and that's smartphones. And the chart here shows the average unsubscribed selling price of smartphones from 2012 into Q4 2017. We did have a dip 2014, 2015, 2016, but the price has been heading back up again, largely perhaps driven by higher price phones such as the iPhone X. Right, so please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading in CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks, please contact your Pepperstone account executive.